Hey, Christianity started off as a bloody, oppressive religion. And it ain't no different here in Solomon Islands. The people are afraid to speak out against what the church is doing to them. They're afraid to answer questions like, is Christ really a white man? They're afraid to answer questions like, does God love you? They're afraid to answer questions according to the Bible because they have already said that the Christian church will retaliate against them, because the Christian church is the same people that run their businesses that they work for. So if you speaking out against white Jesus, you're speaking out against them, and then they're going to make their lives miserable. This is how you know that this whole church system is a system of oppression. And yes, it is a white man's religion. You understand? The Christians were the apostles, according to Acts chapter 11. The apostles were Christians. They never taught Christianity. Neither do we, neither will we ever. Just understand, we uplifted the people today of Melita, Solomon Islands, the tribe of Naphtali, and we're going to continue uplifting our people and giving them the courage. Because like 2 Timothy chapter 1, verse 7 says, God did not give us the spirit of fear. Shalom.